Hey guys, and welcome back to the Niska Projects. My name is Taylor, and a couple weeks ago, I bought this ukulele. Now this is a cool little instrument, and I've had a lot of fun the past couple weeks learning how to play it, but there's just one issue. It's not quite metal enough for me. So today, we're gonna turn this ukulele into a metal-lele. Rockelele. So today, we're gonna turn this ukulele into a rockelele. That was so stupid. I'm gonna take one of these 6-pole bobbins, I'm going to cut 2 of the poles off and rewind it, and I'm going to mount it somewhere right in here so that I can plug it into my amp and then play it. Now one thing I have already done to this ukulele, as you can see, I have gone ahead and put steel strings on it. Since the ukulele only has 4 strings, I'll be taking this bobbin and cutting it down to size. I got to make sure I leave room for the coil to wrap around. I'm going to cut a notch that goes down to where the pole pieces will come up. Now I'm just gonna round off these corners. I would say that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wind the coil onto this. I have here this little piece that I machined a while back. How it works is you just stick the bobbin onto the end of it like that, so it's nice and secure. And then you put this into a drill, and then you can spin the wire onto it. Alright, so now I'm going to put on some of this protective felt tape. And there is my ukulele pickup. Now I'm going to head out to the shop and make a bracket to mount this onto the ukulele. So now that the rockelele is done, let's plug it into the amp and see how it sounds. So I've got it tuned to B, E, A, D. You know, if you like that video, you should subscribe to my channel. You too.